Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Today I am going to introduce an interesting video. You need to watch the full video, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the video, share, like and comment. Don't forget, this is your platform too. You know, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So enjoy our video. So here is our part 1 video, Eid special drawing. In this video I have shown how simply you can draw, and the topic is on Eid. This is our part 1 video. Here I am showing the drawing, but part 2 video will show the coloring. So let's start. So this is our paper. You have to take your paper in portrait format, not landscape, portrait. You can see how I have taken. If you are right handy, color should be the right side. If you are left handy, color should be the left side. So first you have to fold the paper, hold the paper, and both the corners just need to fold. Don't fold it from the middle. So just we have understood where we have to draw a line in the middle of the paper. So we fold that. Now you have to draw two standing lines at the left side and at the right side. Now in the middle you give a dot. Now yes, you have to draw the M. I hope you all can write this letter M. So I have exactly drawn the M in the middle of the paper. The line I have drawn in the middle, our aim is on the top of that line. Now just by the left side and the right side, I am drawing one more standing line that is parallel to our aim. Now we have to join both sides. You can see. Now give a dot on the middle so that you can draw easily a triangle on that. So you can see the left and the right side we have drawn a shapes. Now just draw a parallel line of the slanting line of our aim. You can see exactly have to follow. Now draw a straight line in the middle. This is sleeping line. Draw one more parallel line so you can fill with that color. Now here you have to draw a half circle like a D. I hope you all are very good to write the D. So this is the half circle that we do for writing the D. Now this is a C. From C we can draw the moon shapes, and the left sides and the right sides, that shape I have drawn, that should be same in a height. So you all have guessed, this is the masjid and this is the baseline. You can use scale. You can use your scale. Better you not use the scale, but if you need, then you can use scale. Now exactly I have drawn three small sleeping line, and I have to draw 3 arch for the doors. Standing line you have to join. Be careful, the line should be straight. So here I have drawn 3 doors. and in the middle of that you can see both the sides that should be the equal height. So here we am doing a boundary wall, and inside the wall there is a tree. You can see there is a tree. So this tree you can draw very simply. If you have any problems, first you can draw the triangle shape, then you can make that curved line on that. So upper part we have drawn a masjid, and now this is the lower part. So this is our lower part. So here also we have to get out the middle. So for this reason, first you fold the paper, but don't fold it from the middle. You need just little bit fold so that you can understand where the middle will come. And here you have to draw a E. If you turn your paper, you can see if I turn my paper, yes, this will be a E. That will be up to end of the paper, and the middle line will be smaller, as you know how to write the E. Now just take your paper as you placed it before. Now this line will be joined. So here you can see two rectangle box. Now draw this line and erase that line, and one more line at the bottom of that. Exactly you follow what I am doing. Now you can understand what I am drawing. Just draw one circle, and here also another circle. You should practice circle. Now you draw the neck. So here I am showing two men. They are hugging each other actually. So you can see there is one man the hand, and there is another man hands. Just hold your patience to complete the drawing so that you can understand. This man is a Muslim, so he is wearing a traditional cap, and this, there is the ear. You can see the middle of the face. Now eyes, nose and mouth, this smiling face. This man is a Hindu, and you can see there is a tilak on his forehead. So this is a Hindu and Muslim, both are hugging each other. This is the festival for the Muslims, but we all celebrate any festival in India. So here I am drawing one more hand so that it looks they are hugging. So I hope it is clear to you. Now here will be a straight line, sleeping line. Some bushes are there in the far, and there will be some flower, so that our places look very divine and beautiful. And in the close also there is also some big flowers with big bushes. Now your drawing is looking, our drawing is looking, very compact, fill in paper. So this drawing is very easy, you all can try. Now I'm going to show the same thing in digitally. Don't skip over here. You are just going to get a flash of all the steps of our drawing. So draw a line in the middle of the paper. Then both the side, left and right, keeping in the same distance, you have to draw two standing line. Now the next steps, this is our aim. In the middle you have to draw the dot, and from both the sides you have to draw a slanting line, and both of the side again left and right you are drawing one more standing line, then triangle. So you can see in the same size we have drawn two shapes in both of the sides of our aim. Now there is a parallel line in the middle slanting line of our aim. Now this is a straight line, there has to be two line. Now this is the arch shape, half circle, arch shapes. Now this we have to draw the door and the moon. One door will be in the middle. So our masjid is done this way. Now draw the base line for our masjid. This is the base line of our masjid. Now the barrier wall, that has to be same in height. Boundary wall, there is a tree, you can draw the triangle shapes first like a cone. Now you can draw the tree. There is the E, you all can draw the E. Okay, you can see you have drawn the E like this. Then you have to join this line also. So you will have, there is a two rectangle shapes joined together. So this is the E, you have joined it like that way. Now draw the two circle and the neck also. This is going to be a human figure. There is a hand, this is another hand of another man. Now look, follow what I am drawing exactly. You can understand what I am drawing. Yes, two men is hugging each other actually. So you can see. So this line will be erased. You can see there is a line, you can be erased. Now draw a man is Muslim, another man who's, you can see the front look, the Muslim, and some grasses far and close. So I hope you can understand. This is a festival. Now you can practice and send your picture. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.